Imagine a world where Visa tokenizes real-world assets on Ethereum, where stablecoins hit all-time highs, and $1 billion in USDT is minted in seconds. That world isn't coming. It's already here. In this video, we're diving into the explosive momentum behind institutional crypto adoption, Ethereum's next big catalyst, and the quiet stablecoin surge no one's talking about. Plus, the surprising warning from BlackRock that could shake the US dollar's dominance. Stick around, because what you'll see here might just change how you view the future of finance and how to profit from it. Just to remind you, on March 10th, 2024, Visa made a historic move. They officially launched the Visa Tokenized Asset Platform, or VTAP, and it's ready to be launched soon in 2025. The goal? Help banks issue fiat-backed tokens on the public Ethereum blockchain. BBVA, a global banking giant, is already on board and will use VTAP to tokenize assets with live pilots. Institutional Ethereum adoption is indeed accelerating. Visa is no stranger to digital innovation, but this isn't a test. This is infrastructure, and they chose Ethereum. So, if you ever doubted Ethereum's long-term relevance in finance, you might want to rethink that. While the market focuses on meme coins and ETFs, stablecoins are silently taking over. Leon Wademan shared that the total stablecoin market cap just hit $233.8 billion, a new all-time high. In just the last 7 days, over $1.34 billion was added. And who dominates? USDT, with a massive 61.86% share. This isn't just market growth. It's market confidence. But it gets better. According to Glassnode data, for the first time since February 17th, we're seeing net positive inflows of stablecoins into centralized exchanges. This means one thing. Centralized exchanges are getting refueled, and that usually precedes a market move. Leon puts it best, momentum shift incoming. Now here's where it gets spicy. Arkham reported that $1 billion USDT was minted on March 31st, 2025. Yes, in a single transaction. That's not just liquidity. That's a statement. And where is all this stablecoin capital going? One clue lies in Polygon's POS chain, where USDC velocity has surged from 1x to 3x in just 3 months. As Peter the Rock explains, for every $1 of USDC on Polygon, $3 is being utilized. For reference, healthy real-world economies operate at 1.5x to 2x velocity. The US hovers around 1.3x. Polygon? It's becoming a hyper-efficient financial engine. And Circle's flywheel is spinning faster than ever. With all this good news, why isn't Ethereum pumping? That's the question Ali asked while sharing the latest chart. According to Ali's technicals, Ethereum needs to reclaim $2,100 and more decisively $2,300 to confirm a trend reversal. Right now, Ethereum is hovering around $1,800, showing weakness despite bullish fundamentals. This is where smart investors prepare, not panic. Because when price and fundamentals diverge, that's often the setup for the next leg up. Let's zoom out. BlackRock just made a stunning statement. If the US doesn't get its debt under control, America could lose its global reserve status to digital assets like Bitcoin. Let that sink in. BlackRock, the most powerful asset manager in the world, is essentially validating the Bitcoin as global reserve narrative. A few years ago, that was fringe. Now it's front page. And it's backed by data. U.S. public debt as a percentage of GDP is at historical highs and climbing. If confidence in the dollar erodes, Bitcoin becomes the hedge. This isn't just about price. It's about monetary regime change. Now, let's talk cycles. Seth posted a chart comparing Bitcoin's current cycle to previous halving cycles. The 2024 halving trend? A little off the mark, but remember that every cycle profits are lower due to maturity and greater liquidity. That said, we're currently in the early move-up phase. Historically, this is where Bitcoin begins to go parabolic. And Seth didn't stop there. He also shared that the Trump family is launching a Bitcoin mining operation with HUD8. Bullish optics, anyone? Meanwhile, Crypto Gel compared 2020 to 2025. His post shows Bitcoin following a nearly identical structure, pullback higher low, and potential for a major breakout. While Ethereum and Bitcoin battle headlines, Base Chain is quietly taking over DeFi for Bitcoin. Johnny TVL shared that Base now holds the most Coinbase-wrapped Bitcoin cbBTC of any layer 2, reaching 8.46k cbBTC locked. That's serious momentum. Base is fast becoming the Bitcoin DeFi hub, with protocols like Aerodrome, Pendle, Uniswap, and Curve driving volume. The cross-chain liquidity narrative isn't coming. It's already live, and Bitcoin isn't just sitting in cold wallets anymore. It's earning yield. If you want to understand and profit from this shift, you need more than just news. You need strategy. That's why I created my ebook, DeFi, Financial Freedom, the Ultimate Beginner's Guide. It's a clear, actionable roadmap for anyone who wants to turn crypto knowledge into financial leverage. Inside, you'll learn how to earn passive income using top DeFi platforms, navigate bull cycles with confidence, spot opportunities before the market does, avoid rookie mistakes that drain your portfolio, and it costs less than a cup of coffee, just $4.99. If you're watching this video, you already know how fast crypto is evolving. This book helps you stay ahead. Check the link in the pinned comment. Because in crypto, information is money. So, what did we just witness? Visa validating Ethereum. Stablecoins hitting record highs. $1 billion in USDT printed like clockwork, and printing coming every week. Polygon's USDC economy surging. Bitcoin's global role expanding. And Base quietly becoming a DeFi powerhouse. This isn't just bullish. It's transformational. If you found value in this breakdown, hit the like button, subscribe for more DeFi alpha, and leave a comment below. Which of these stories excites you the most? And if you missed our last video, make sure you watch that next. Stay sharp, stay early, and stay yield hungry. See you tomorrow.